Well, it's one of two lawsuits challenging the construction of two high-rise hotels in Pago Bay. At a motion to dismiss hearing today, one of those lawsuits came closer to completion. Here's more. Ordet Pago Mayor Jesse Gogui and the Attorney General's office were on opposite sides of Judge Alberto Lamorena's courtroom today, discussing a motion to dismiss. That motion to dismiss was brought forth by the AG's office, saying that the Mayor's Council, who filed a lawsuit challenging the Guam Land Use Commission's decision to construct two high-rise hotels in Pago Bay, is illegal because the AG's office cannot represent two agencies in the executive branch. But before that lawsuit can even be heard, Gogui says he needs legal representation. After a short question and answer period, Judge Lamorena decided to take the matter under advisement.
Maybe we'll have good fortune in that the judge will say, you know what, there is potential merit to this case, and that maybe the judge will order, the Attorney General's office to provide this particular case with legal representation.
But it won't end there. The AG's office could still refuse to represent the mayor's office because they also represent the GLUC, thus the conflict of interest.
Maybe they'll invoke a section of law that allows the Attorney General's office to use funding that they get to hire an independent attorney to represent us in this case because of the potential legal conflict.
Judge Lamorena, however, continually questioned Gogui about the similarities in his case and the case brought forth by Save Southern Guam, LLC. That case involves a petition filed by some residents of Pago Bay and Save Southern to put a stop to the building of two hotels in Pago Bay Arena. Lamorena went as far as to say that the two cases would create redundancies and suggested for Gogui to join the Save Southern Guam lawsuit. The mayor, however, thinks the two cases are different.
The difference between the lawsuit that our office submitted, and actually, again, everybody talks about it as being a lawsuit. It's just basically a compliance of the law, asking for judicial review. Did the commission approve this application within their legal authority? The Safe Southern Guam and the individuals listed in the separate applications, these people are the ones that are going to be impacted. Wait a minute, I already, that particular court case that has been filed are people saying, I already have low water pressure in my community. If this hotel is built and there's no mitigation of this low water pressure, how can it be approved? How can the government approve this?
Meanwhile, the AG still contends that the Mayor's Council cannot bring a lawsuit against another GovGuam entity.
When it comes to the Mayor's Council of Guam office, it becomes a fundamental question because when you have the Office of the Mayor of Ordet Pago, the Office of the Mayor of Jonia, and the Mayor's Council of Guam as a whole, recommending the disapproval of that particular application, and the Guam Land Use Commission approves it, it begs the question that if this were any other jurisdiction in the United States, where zoning is actually handled at the municipal level, did they exceed their authority, or maybe do we need to modify our laws?
For more, you can visit our website at pacificnewscenter.com.